Welcome to the future where the vision is clear.
Le CEO le disait tout à l'heure, nous sommes déjà rendus à la 4e vague. En d'autres termes, 2 vagues sont déjà passées. La 3e est en train d'effectuer son stage. Nous allons écouter les témoignages de quelques étudiants. Le premier, c'est Mr. Ndifon Clevet-Fissin, un étudiant de Coltech de l'Université de Bamenda. What are you here for?
Well, I'm here for my internship to acquire some networking skills as directed by my school, Coltech, University of Bamenda.
My name is Tita Chungam.
My name is Kevin Makechu, a student from the University of Bamenda, precisely Coltech.
My name is Nabila Mavi Fawcett. I'm from the University of Bamenda in the College of Technology.
I am Banjong Kunsu, a year 1 student at the College of Technology, University of Bamenda.
I'm here to acquire hands-on training, like to bridge the gap between theory and practical.
I'm here for a 1-year internship in order to carry out network management and connectivity.
I'm here for an internship issued by the school to learn network connectivity and management.
I'm here for my 1-month internship.
Okay.
To gain hands-on training on my department, which is computer network and system maintenance.
Why did you choose Espatego for your internship?
Well, actually, Expert Tech Group was suggested to me by one of my seniors in school, which I actually asked him. So after the suggestion, I made some inquiries and I found out that Expert Tech Group was actually a great company to do my internship there. So actually the experience is actually the best. So my inquiries were true. What I found out was true.
I chose Expert Tech Group because of reviews that was brought back by the previous interns that were here. I never wanted a situation where I would come and I would be observing from the sideline, but here they put me in the engine room.
I chose Expert Tech Group because of their strong reputation in combining technical expertise in practical training.
I heard of it from students, from some of my seniors. So I decided to come and try it out.
Expert Tech Group was actually recommended to me by a year 2 student who did his internship here. So from the way he spoke about it, I just decided to go for it.
Your internship is gradually coming to an end. What appreciation will you remember about Espatec Group?
Well, actually, a lot of it, which I'll mention. They are friendly and well-experienced trainers. They are well-equipped labs and many other things like building us in our careers, confidentiality, and many others.
I'll remember the fact that Expert Tech Group didn't just take me as an intern. Yeah, regardless of the fact that I'm an intern, they assigned me, they gave me responsibilities they gave me good responsibilities that even regardless of the fact that their equipments are very expensive and stuff like that, they forgot about it and they still chose to sacrifice.
I will always remember the guidance and encouragement given to me by our team. Like I would also give more thanks to Mr. Kukoju, who is our sole supervisor.
Their way of mentorship and how our teachers were willing to assist us in all ways.
I will appreciate the fact that we did more of practical than theory, because actually in school we do theory only. So doing the practical here enabled me to see the the way I'll actually be working on the field. So that is one thing I would love to remember from him.
Nous vous attendons très nombreux, chers étudiants. Je puis vous garantir que le nécessaire est fait pour que le grand nombre de stagiaires qui sera reçu soit très bien accueilli. Merci beaucoup.